Welcome to CreditCares. Today, we're here to discuss one of our most powerful financial instruments, the letter of credit. A letter of credit, or LC, is a document issued by a bank ensuring that a buyer's payment will be received by the seller on time. Here are some key features of our letter of credit. Global acceptance. It's accepted worldwide, giving you access to international markets. Risk mitigation. Minimize risks by ensuring your payment only goes through upon fulfillment of agreed terms. Customization. Tailor the terms and conditions to suit your specific transaction. Trade facilitation. Streamline international trade by providing trust between parties. Now, let's explore the advantages of using a CreditCares letter of credit. Security. Your payment is secured, and you only pay when conditions are met. International expansion. Seize global opportunities with confidence. Risk reduction. Lower the risk of fraud or non-payment in international trade. Competitive advantage. Stand out in the global market with LC-backed transactions. Flexible financing. Benefit from flexible financing options. To get started with a CreditCares letter of credit, you'll need to provide some essential documents. Here's what you need: sales contract, a detailed agreement between buyer and seller. Application form, providing necessary information. Financial documents, your financial statements and business records. Shipping documents, proof of shipment and delivery. In conclusion, a CreditCares letter of credit is your passport to secure, efficient, and globally recognized trade. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just stepping into the world of international commerce, our LC services can benefit you. Remember, terms and conditions apply. Contact us for a detailed consultation. Like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Stay updated with our latest financial solutions.